In today's video, I'll show you how to promote your Big Cartel store effectively in just a couple of minutes. Growing an online store may feel overwhelming, but with the right approach, you can increase traffic, build trust, and boost your sales faster than you think. Before promoting anything, make sure your store looks clean, professional, and easy to navigate. Test your checkout process, fix any broken links, and ensure your product photos and descriptions are clear, sharp, and attractive. A smooth shopping experience immediately increases customer confidence. Next, work on a strong and memorable brand identity. Your brand should look and feel consistent everywhere. Create a simple, recognizable logo. Choose a color palette that matches your style and use a clear tone of voice that reflects your personality. Consistency builds trust and trust builds sales. Social media is one of the fastest ways to attract new customers. Choose 1 to 3 platforms where your audience spends the most time. Fashion and lifestyle stores perform well on Instagram, while niches like art, crafts, and handmade goods often shine on TikTok or Pinterest. Share engaging content such as product highlights, packaging videos, behind the scenes clips, or customer stories. Stay active, reply to comments, and build a friendly presence. Your happiest customers are also your strongest promoters. After every order, follow up with a simple thank you message and ask for a review. These reviews act as social proof and help convince new customers to trust your store. You can also offer a small discount for anyone who shares their experience, helping you gather more testimonials by encouraging repeat purchases. So to recap, make sure your store is user-friendly, build a consistent and memorable brand, stay active on social media, and encourage your satisfied customers to speak for you. Follow these steps and you'll be well on your way to promoting your Big Cartel store successfully.